seen this. Welcome back. We've seen this weather cool and wet throughout this weekend. Right now we are seeing partly cloudy skies in Great Falls, but we are going to continue to see some of this rain and some of this scattered thunderstorms throughout next week. And taking a look in Helena, Helena is getting a little bit of rain right now, mostly cloudy in Helena. And again, these scattered rain showers and the thunderstorms are going to continue. We could see them in through tonight, but taking a look at the current temperatures, we are seeing those temperatures into the 50s. We are starting to cool down into the night. We could see them hitting down into the 40s, maybe even the upper 30s in some areas. And taking a look at the current wind, we're a little bit breezy throughout north central Montana, especially up along the high line here. And we are seeing gusts up to 18 miles per hour, even 20 miles per hour in some places. But as we head into Sunday, that should calm right down into maybe 6 to 10 mile per hour winds. So that's something to look forward to, something exciting. Again, we are seeing some of those gusts up to 20 miles per hour, but as we start to head into tonight, we are going to see those winds starting to go away in Glasgow. Glasgow is still holding strong with those winds up to 20 miles per hour, but again, we are going to see pretty calm winds throughout this beginning half of the week. And taking a look at the flood watches that we have in effect, we have a flood advisory going right now. Minor flooding in some low-lying areas in Cascade County. This will be until 6 p.m. this evening, so that will be going away here really quick. But we do have a flood warning in place in Belt Creek. We are seeing some flooding, so if you see any flooding on the road, remember not to drive through it, turn around. That could cause some danger. And why are we seeing some of this precipitation? Well, we have some upper level troughing. You can see that through here, and it's actually going to get a little bit slanted, but that's bringing that cool weather and the precipitation. But the precipitation is for sure needed, especially for those producers. Taking a look at the radar, again, we are seeing that precipitation going throughout most of the state, and we will continue to see that into next week. And taking a look at the future track again, we are going to see that scattered rain showers throughout this next week. We are going to see the wettest day on Wednesday. That is going to have heavier rainfall, but we are going to see this scattered rain throughout the week with partly cloudy skies in most areas. And taking a look at the lows for tonight, again, we are cooling right down into the 40s and upper 30s, but we are going to warm back up into the 60s tomorrow, and we are going to stay into this 50 and 60 range. Taking a look at the Great Falls 7-day, again, we are going to see that precipitation continue to come in, partly cloudy skies for most of the week. And as we head into Wednesday, we are going to see a little bit more precipitation, heavier rain. Thursday, Friday, we are going to continue to see that. But if you're like me and you like thunderstorms, then this will be an exciting time for you. And in Helena is going to see that same thing. Those highs are going to maybe even get up into the 70s next weekend. We are going to expect to see a warmer weekend, a nicer weekend, so that is something to look forward to. But this April showers did bring May some flowers, and we are seeing that coming up.